everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef. I'm Lisa, your host. Today we're going to make a spicy tofu stir fry. I was craving some Szechuan flavors, and this really hit the spot. I think you're going to love it, so hang on, and here we go. Let's check out the ingredients for our spicy stir fry. For our sauces and oils and flavorings, we're going to use Sriracha for heat, some vegetable better than bouillon. You can use vegetable broth. They have a not chicken bouillon, which you can also use. I'm going to use some sesame oil, coconut aminos, olive oil spray. For our fresh ingredients, diced ginger and garlic. These green beans have already been blanched, but we're going to use a couple cups of those. A little bit of sliced yellow pepper, a sweet onion, a couple of cups of diced tofu, and sliced green onions. We're going to put all of that over either brown rice or rice cauliflower. It is your choice. If you're cutting carbs, use the rice cauliflower. And let's get started. Okay, let's get this party started. Let's spray our pan with some olive oil, add some sesame oil. I'm gonna add the garlic and ginger, and our onions and peppers. Let's let that start to sizzle up. Okay, that is sizzling nicely. Now I think we're going to add our tofu cubes. And get a little bit of browning on those. Okay, so now we're starting to get a little bit of browning on our tofu. I'm going to start adding some ingredients. This is our broth base. Mush that around a little bit and add a little bit of water at this point. Ah, hear that sizzle. And now I'm going to throw in my green beans. That's lovely. I'm going to cover this, turn the heat down, and let that simmer for just about 5 minutes. Okay, now that is starting to smell and look just amazing. Now we're gonna really spice it up. Gonna take our Sriracha, give it a good turn of the pan, our coconut aminos, and our green onions. And I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Raise the heat back up. Let that sauce just coat everything, thicken it up. Give that maybe another 3 minutes, and I think we'll be good to go. Okay, this is totally done. Gonna get our rice ready and serve it up. And I'd say that looks pretty darn good. Can't wait to dig into that. I hope you liked this episode. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thanks for watching.